everyone, my name is Amelia Lubisi and I'll be showing you the tool I created. So the name of my tool is a chart of shapes. As you can see, it's a chart that consists of shapes, right? Exactly. So this tool is for grade R and grade 1 mathematics. It helps learners to know their shapes and also their examples. As you can see here, we have a square and then there's also examples. We have a handkerchief, a chair spot, and then we also have this one, which is a rectangle. As you can see, it's a rectangle, and then there's an example of a rectangle, and then there's also examples. There is an actual rectangle, and then there's a calculator as an example, and then there's also a bell. Then we move on to the next one. We can see a triangle. This is a triangle, and then we have a what? A sandwich. There's a sandwich that you cut in a triangle shape, and then we also have a circle. So in a circle, we have a what? A dish. A dish that we use to eat, and then we also have a what? A coin, which is money. So the coin can be an example of a circle. And then the other one is an oval. Then we have a what? A picture of an oval. Then the examples, we can say the what? The rugby ball and also the eggs. Last but not least, we have a what? A diamond. In the diamond, there's an example of a sign. There's a sign that is used on the road, which is an example of a diamond, right? So this tool is very important for early childhood development. By teaching learners different shapes, it enables them to draw. They can also be able to identify different patterns